Hello, and thank you for joining me on today's video blog. I'm Stephen Pilkington with the Path Home team. So on today's video blog, we're going to discuss what can you expect when buying or selling in the wintertime. So in Denver and in a lot of the other cities and states in the country, we experience winter. And it's white, it can be beautiful, or it might be brown and not so beautiful. So what does that mean for you when you're considering buying or selling in real estate? So the first thing is that the inventory in Denver metro area typically drops around 28% from mid-November through about the end of December. So expect to have less choices on the market. Now, depending on your price point and depending on what you're looking for, that might mean it's not the best time to look, specifically if you're looking for big acreage property or properties that might have beautiful landscaping. Those tend to go off the market and then come back on in springtime when they look beautiful again. If you're looking for a standard home in a neighborhood, you may actually have a great time to sell and it's a great time to buy. So inventory's down about 28%. That being said, the volume of the homes that sell doesn't drop 28% as well. It usually drops about 15%, sometimes as much as 20%, but that means that the homes that are being listed are still selling, and they might even be selling more. So from a buyer's perspective, you still have to be competitive. You still, especially for properties that are move-in ready, fixed up, awesome properties, they're still gonna get multiple offers, but you might have a few less choices in the neighborhood because of that 28% less inventory. Now, from a seller's perspective, that means you might think like, am I gonna get less money by selling in the wintertime? We also see a lot of homes that have been on the market ever since like May, June, July, and they've made it all the way to the wintertime, and now they're selling because the inventory is lower. And some of those homes do sell for less, but it has more to do with the fact that it's been on the market for 3 to 6 months than it does that it's actually selling in the wintertime. So if you take those properties out and look at the properties that have been listed in the wintertime, they're still actually selling for a very strong listing to sale ratio. So the listing price versus what's actually accepted at the bottom line. So when you look at all this stuff, you can basically expect that there are going to be some less choices depending on your price point. And if you're curious what that could mean for you, whether you're interested in buying or selling, reach out to us and let us know, and we'd be happy to share with you the exact inventory in your neighborhood and what you can expect selling in the wintertime compared to the spring, summer, or fall. Yet at the end of the day, the Denver market is a really good market, and even though there is a little bit of up and down with inventory, throughout the year, it's still a strong market. So if interest rates are fantastic, if you find a property that suits your needs, it can be an amazing time to buy, and those cases are happening right now. And if you're looking to sell, you have an opportunity to cash out, you have an opportunity to make a move into another property. Also a fantastic time because there's less competition. So during the summer, you might have 10 homes in your neighborhood you're competing against, where in the wintertime, you might have 3 or 4 homes in the neighborhood. So even if you're not the most fixed up home, you might still have a chance to sell better than you'd sell in the summer because you're not competing against as many as those fixed up homes. So I hope this has given you a little bit of an idea of what you can expect when buying or selling in the wintertime. If this is something that you found value in, please comment. If this is something that you thought was terrible, comment on that too. And if you have any questions or a topic you'd like me to discuss for a future video blog, please let me know. And until the next time, stay safe and have yourself a fantastic day.